Hi guys, Sam here from Rainbow Party Designs, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to assemble my unicorn chip bags. Now these templates you can find in the link in the description box down below, and it will take you to my Etsy store, and that is where you can find these templates. So this one here is for my daughter's birthday. So what the listing would have is that I would customize it to your liking. So this one says Ellie's 5th birthday. If you can see that, Ellie's 5th birthday. And thanks for coming to my party. All right. And you would need to print this out on, I normally use what's called a HP brochure glossy paper. So I'll link that down below to where you can actually find the paper. And it's more of a shiny, it's a shiny type of paper. Okay. All right, so what you would need to do is you would get a, sorry, just going back to, if you're wanting to actually design your own ones too, I do have a video that I can also link down below on how to make your own customized, instead of actually paying for somebody else to make it for you, how you can actually make it yourself in either the Silhouette Cameo or in the PicMonkey software. That's the videos that I have for you if you're interested. Okay, so when you print out your template, it's going to look something like this. So you would need to cut the top part off, the bottom part off, and then just one side of your template. Okay, and then you will end up having something like this here. Okay, now there is no right or wrong way of making these, assembling these chip bags. There are so many videos on YouTube that show you how to make chip bags. So if you just YouTube it, and you will find other videos too if you're not happy with the way how I do it. Okay, so this is just the way that works for me, but it's really up to you which way you want to do it. So what you would obviously need is your template, whatever goodies you're going to put inside. So you can put lollies or popcorn or whatever. I am putting in these mini chip bags are going to go inside. So I don't take them out of their bags. I leave it inside their bags. Okay, just for health and safety reasons, I prefer just to keep it inside the bags. Okay, and then you would need some form of adhesive. So I like to use these glue tape runners. It's just so easy. All you just do is go like that, and it pretty much just puts the glue on it. So I'll show you what I mean. So I like to put the glue on the opposite side to where the white border is. Okay, so we're going to put one over here. We're going to put one on the top. We're going to put one at the bottom. And then I always check in the light to see where my center is. And then I just put two little lines there so that it can actually hold the chip bag in place for me. Okay, I then just fold it and fold, and I leave a little bit of a gap, because you'll notice that with some chip bags, they actually, I'll show you this bag here, they've actually got that white seam on it. Okay, so just making sure that you do match it up properly. So there and there, and then I just run my finger along it just to make sure that it is stuck together. Okay, and then all I do is I then join up the top parts by just squeezing the ends together like that, and squeezing there. So that's what I do, and then I just run my fingers down there too, flip it over, and then I do the same thing here. Now it is a bit tricky. You just maybe need to push your bag a little bit further down. Okay, and then all you're going to do is, I normally just do the middle part, and once I've got that all lined up, and then squeeze the ends. Oopsie. And squeeze the ends like that. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. There we go. Oh, this one's seeming to So the main thing is to make sure you do have a lot of glue. Just stick it down. And that's how you make a unicorn chip bag. It's very quick and it's very easy. And there it is a bit fiddly, but once you get used to how to maneuver it and to make sure that everything's in place, then it becomes pretty easy. So, but I think it's a cute little addition to your party, and it's a great party favor. It's it always looks good on the dessert table too. So all like lined up like that, all the way down. So yeah, there are plenty of different ways that you can present these chip bags. So hope you enjoyed this video, guys. So like, share, subscribe, and comment, and let me know if you have any questions. Take care. Bye.